Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about the importance of having a good night's sleep and how to achieve it. We all know that sleep is essential for our overall health and well-being. It helps our body regenerate and rejuvenate for the next day. However, with so much going on in our daily lives, it can be tough to get that perfect night of sleep. So, what can we do? Well, I have some tips that can help you get a better night's sleep. Tip 1. Establish a regular sleep schedule. The first step is to establish a regular sleep schedule. Our bodies thrive on routine, and sleeping at the same time every night can help regulate our circadian rhythm. Try to set a consistent bedtime and wake-up time, even on weekends. Tip 2. Create a sleep-inducing environment. The second tip is to create a sleep-inducing environment. Keep your bedroom dark, quiet and cool, as these conditions can help promote sleep. If you live in a noisy area, try using earplugs, or use a white noise machine to create a peaceful atmosphere. Tip 3. Limit screen time before bed. The blue light emitted from electronic devices can disrupt our sleep patterns, as our brains interpret it as daylight. Avoid using mobile phones, laptops or watching TV at least 30 minutes before bedtime. Tip 4. Practice relaxation techniques. Another step is to practice relaxation techniques. Try taking deep breaths or practicing meditation, as this can help to calm your mind and prepare it for sleep. Some people also find taking a warm bath or reading a book before bed to be helpful. Tip 5. Invest in a good quality mattress and pillows. Lastly, invest in a good quality mattress and pillows. Sleeping on a supportive mattress and pillows that suit your sleeping style can make a significant difference in how you feel when you wake up. If your mattress is more than 10 years old, it may be worth considering replacing it. There you have it, guys, my tips to help you get that perfect night's sleep. Remember, everyone's sleep needs are different, so it's essential to find what works best for you. I hope you go get some well-deserved shut-eye tonight. Thanks for watching our video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to keep up to date with our latest videos. See you all next time.